Hello beautiful people. I thought I'd come out for a walk here in the back paddock. And I absolutely love this time of year, and I'll show you why. There's Lily sitting next to one. Mushrooms. We have them growing all over the property, and these are edible. There's another one coming here. These are all edible mushrooms. And they're growing, and I'm not going to pick them, and I'll tell you why. I actually want the spores to spread, and what we see above the ground here, what we eat, that is like the babies. So if we leave them to just dissolve and go back into the earth, all those spores will spread out, and then hopefully next year there'll be a lot more mushrooms, and we're finding them in different parts of the paddocks. In each paddock. I think yesterday we saw some more over here, so I expect if I come back here tomorrow morning there will be more, because they love this time of the year where it's a bit damp at night and then the sun out and it's still a little bit warmish. There was some over here yesterday, which now, oh, there it is. Yep, so that one's going to work its way back into the ground. As you can see, it's gone quite black, and there's one that's fallen over right next to it, and there's some more coming up here, but they're all going to head their way back down into the earth so they can have more babies, because fungi is fantastic. Whether we eat it or whether we use it for other things, I take mushroom powders every day. I have lion's mane, turkey tail and chaga, and I put that in my smoothie, and I get organic powders. And what I've found since is my whole being is just so much better. And also I know someone else who also takes the same, and they have had this rash by their eye for probably about 3 years and couldn't get rid of it. Doctors gave cream, couldn't get rid of it. Since having the mushroom powders in smoothies, now it's disappeared. So how fantastic is that? Mushrooms and fungi, brilliant. Really good for all sorts. As you can see, Hank loves sticks, and he's playing with that lovely, likes to chew it. There's a rotten bit of log there. Oh, now the game's on. And it's just been dragged through some cow's poo. But they don't care. Let's see if I can get it off them. Right, leave it. Hank, leave. Good boy, leave it. Leave. Leave it. Leave. Hank, leave it. You ready? You gonna get it? Get it then. So this is bully play, because they both want the stick. It sounds worse than what it is. As you can see, tails are wagging. Hank wants to own it, because he's at that age now. He's must be about 10 months, and he wants to own it because he's like a 2-year-old younger brother who wants everything, or 2-year-old younger sister or whatever, younger sibling of some sort, who absolutely wants everything. So, as you can see, it's a beautiful day here. We've got slight clouds coming in. Beautiful, beautiful sun. That noise you can hear is it next door's goat. Beautiful little sound. And we have Beautiful prairie trees down there. They're magical trees. They have a lot of spiritual essence attached to them. In fact, my feeling is that around certain trees are portals to different dimensions. And we have a grove of prairie trees on our property. There's some over there, but there's some further down in that bush as well. And it's just so peaceful. So I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. I'm going to do a monthly tarot reading today, which I will put up on Facebook and on my social media sites. So have a look out for that. I'm going to do a 4-week reading for the month of April. I'm already feeling the energy changes that are happening already, the beginning of a new month. This is connected to the earth, but I feel it's also connected to the unity consciousness, the mass consciousness of everybody on the planet. It's like a new month, new start, new beginnings, and it gives everyone a bit of a buzz. And of course, in other parts of the world, everyone's starting to look forward to summer, spring and summer. So that also uplifts people as well. And here in New Zealand, of course, we're heading into autumn, and the trees will start changing colour probably within the next sort of 6 to 8 weeks. Being on the South Island, doing some of the walks and rides down there would be really cool, because the beautiful trees go such beautiful autumny colours down there. Different type of trees, I'm not sure which, but we went down there one autumn and the trees were stunning with the different colours. There was a range from coppers, gold, yellow, browns, loads of different tonal browns. And these beautiful orangey colours as well, and goldeny orange. It was amazing. Right, I'm just going to call Lily. Come on, Lily! Because she's blind, but she does very well. Come on, Lily! Good girl! Come on! She follows my voice. Come on, girl! Come on! Good girl! There she is! There's a good girl! There! Good girl. She does really well considering she can't see. Come on. She normally follows my footsteps. Come on then. She is now, see? So we're going to head down here. But look out for the tarot reading, and if you feel like you would like to share it so your friends and family can also listen to it, please do. In fact, any of my stuff that's on social media, feel free to share it. It's for everybody. It's to uplift, it's to bring joy into people's lives, it's to help people become more mindful and aware of how they're thinking and feeling, and to bring healing to people. So please share. Every post actually has an energy frequency with it of healing energy, and with my intention I put that in all my posts, that it will reach out and actually help people. So yes, please share if you feel obliged, or if you feel like that you would like to, then don't hesitate, because you have my go ahead. So please do. Now this is a little grove here that we have under the trees, and often, can't see any at the moment, but often we have wild strawberries growing. And wherever I see wild strawberries, I always think of that it is a magical place. Oh, we've got some fungi growing down here too. Look at that one. Let's have a little look. that. And there's another bigger one here. Look at this one. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful fungi. We love it. So there were up here, the other day when I walked up here, there were some wild strawberries growing. And here's the wild strawberry leaf. This is. But no berries at the moment. They might have been eaten by something, because I try and leave them so the seeds and everything go back into the earth, and next year there's more. That's what I try and do. I think they were along here somewhere, but I can't seem to see them now. But that's okay, we'll head up this hill. Lily's gone for a wander again, she's not behind me anymore. And the two bulldogs are over there, still playing with the stick. There's beautiful little purple moths around, lots of them. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Lily. Good girl. There's one. Beautiful little purple moths. Isn't nature fascinating? Excuse me, puffing up the hill. There, and here's the goat. This is Grace. Hello, Gracie. Hello, Gracie. Hello, Grace. And this is Sybil. Hello. And that's Coco. Don't try and chew my top. And these are all rescue goats that have found their way to us. And they're very tame, apart from Coco's not quite as tame. But these two are. And they love being stroked. But they do also like to climb on you if they can. Don't you? Eh? There. Yeah, Gracie. They're actually really affectionate, beautiful creatures. So they're still over there with the stick. But I'm off to the gym in a minute, but I'm going to do this reading first. So please, yep, take a look out for it. And, oh, that's what I was going to say. What I'm finding is that with ascension, the higher my frequency is going, and the more connected I feel to the cosmos, and all that is, and the God source and everything else, the more I feel really connected to nature. So you look at those flowers there, and you can see those beautiful purple moths are all on the beautiful little flowers. And I know people think, oh, they're only weeds, but they still look gorgeous. They're still flowers. And you can do a lot with weeds as well. So there's quite a few on there. See that beautiful purple colour? Isn't nature amazing? And I'm feeling more and more connected to the earth, and on such a deep level that it's actually really hard to put into words, but I actually feel so connected to the Mother Earth, who nurtures us and takes care of us. And I feel so connected to the beings that live in the forest, even though I don't see them with my physical eyes, but I often can feel them. And the trees, they're beings within themselves. and how magnificent they are. And it's just so beautiful. So if you ever get the chance, just go and spend some time in the forest and just sit and be and just soak up that beautiful connection, because it is amazing. So take care everyone, have a lovely day, and look out for my intuitive reading that I'm going to come out. It's going to have an energy forecast in it as well, which I'll put up today at some point. So lots of love from me and us here. That's the house, and the chickens are all around there as well. Lots of love from us all here in New Zealand. Bye for now. Bye.